Okay, so somebody was asking me where to put commas, where to put semicolons, right? I will tell you how it works. Okay, for example, okay, in the column, can we try to rewrite this column widget? You will get a big picture. So you have column now. Column, let's say main axis alignment is center. We'll do a very simple thing. We'll do a very simple thing. Maybe how about Python? Python will be okay. You cannot write Python program here, but I'll just tell you how it works. Let's say void main Python, or okay, which language is comfortable? C will be okay, right? Let me write it in C for you. So void main int a, comma int b, comma int c, comma string x something, some blah 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 blah. Then you have what? Return void, right? You have something like this. So this is your typical C program. Correct? Your typical C program looks like this, right? Yes or no? You have a function void main. These are your parameters. Parameters are split up by commas. Do you see? Parameters are split up by commas. And the statements inside your function are terminated by semicolons, right? Okay. So this is your typical C program. Okay, this is your typical C program. How do you write your typical C program? You have a void main. So void main is your function. Inside your function, you have several arguments, right? These are your arguments, the values that the function will take. So these arguments are separated by commas, right? Int a, comma, int b, comma, int c, comma, string x. So your arguments are separated by commas. Whenever you write a statement, you terminate that with a semicolon, right? Just like this. You have written a statement, let's say printf, hi. So whenever you write a statement, you terminate that by semicolon, right? Yes or no? This is how your typical C program looks now. Yes?
Yes, bro. Yeah.
Okay. So அதே மாதிரி தான் இந்த இடத்துலையும் we were writing a column widget, right? Let me write a column widget again and show you how it works. Look at this. இந்த இடத்துல நல்லா இதை நோட்டீஸ் பண்ணுங்க. Column parenthesis. What does this mean? Column parenthesis. I want that one word. I said this word yesterday. I want that one word. What's that? Column parenthesis. Nobody. Function call. Ajay, you're a bit close. Function call, you're a bit close, but I want that specific word. No, function and method are the same mission. Just that wherever language you call them with wherever names. In Java you call them as method, in C you call them as function. Inline function, no. Guys, you're getting distracted. What is that first method? What is that first function which is invoked when you create an instance of a class?
Constructor.
Exactly. Who was that? Daniel? Mia?
Yeah.
Okay. So constructor. Exactly. That's the answer. Column is a class. I am creating an instance of a column. So the method that is invoked when I create an instance of the column, what's that? Constructor. So column parenthesis, that means I am calling the constructor of the class column. What does the constructor do? A constructor allocates memory in your VM. It allocates memory for your program, for your object in the main memory, in your RAM, right? So whenever I put column parenthesis, it means that I am allocating memory for this column widget in my application. So let me show you how this column widget looks like. Let me show you its code. If you want to see, you can do that. Just press your control, or Mac users press command and click on this widget. You will see this widget source code. Right? Look at this. What's this? This is your column constructor. So constructor is just any other function, okay? A constructor is just like your void main. So what do you put inside void main? Void main int a, comma, int b, comma, int c, comma, string x, just like how I showed you here. Do you see? Void main, what are these? Parameters. Void main, parameters, right? Similarly, constructor is also a function that will also take some parameters. What are these parameters? Over here. Do you see them? They are separated by commas. Key, comma. Main axis alignment, comma. Main axis size, comma. Cross axis alignment, comma. Do you see? They are parameters. Parameters are separated by commas. Yes or no? Guys, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Parameters are separated by commas. Statements are terminated by semicolons. That's the difference. So whenever you write a function here, so okay, let's just clear this void main. This is a useless function. Let me just delete this. Okay, I have this column widget, right? Whenever I create an instance of a class, whenever I create a new column widget, I have to pass some parameters so that the Dart VM, there is something called as Dart VM. Okay, so whenever, for example, you have some Java application, your Java app runs inside the Java VM, Java virtual machine. Similarly, whenever you create a Dart application, whenever you create a Flutter application, that will run inside the Flutter VM or the Dart VM, Dart virtual machine, right? So whenever you create a new instance of column, it will take few parameters because column is a constructor. What's a constructor? Constructor is a method again. So the method will take few parameters just like your void main, which we saw earlier. So what are these parameters? These parameters are main axis size. So okay, let's not confuse about this. Let's talk about main axis alignment. So what's main axis alignment? Let's put center. So what else can we assign? Then this will take a cross axis alignment. That let's again put center. Then what else will this take? This will take children, right? So what is children? Children is array. So what can be the value of this array? Maybe let's put a text inside. Hi. If you see this on a straight line, this is your regular function call. This is just like any other function call. Do you get the difference? அதாவது நீங்க நியூ லைன்ஸ்ல பார்க்கறப்பனா you get confused, but see them on a one line, see them on one straight line. This is just like any other function call. Cross axis alignment, main axis alignment, children, they are just parameters. Void main நீங்க கால் பண்றீங்கன்னா என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? Void main within brackets you will pass some values, right? Void main 10, 15, 20, you will pass some values. Similarly, you are calling the constructor. What is constructor? Constructor is just another function. When you are calling this constructor function, you have to pass few parameters. What are these parameters? Main axis alignment, cross axis alignment, and children. So you are passing the same values. You are passing the same parameters. And how are parameters supposed to be sent? You are supposed to split them by commas, right? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right? Others? Yes or no? Do you get the difference between comma and semicolon? I want all of you to respond. Yarkadu puriyalaya. Do you want me to repeat this again? Okay, let me show you how this entire program looks like on a straight line. Okay, so let me just delete the scaffold widget for you. Let me delete scaffold for you. How do you delete? Command X. Okay, so material app is another constructor. Everything here is a constructor, guys. நீங்க ஒரு widget create பண்றீங்கன்னா அந்த widget create பண்றதுக்கு நீங்க ஒரு constructor தான் எழுதணும். ஓகேவா? So I'm calling this constructor material app here so that I can create a new instance of material app. Now let's look at how this program looks when you write it on a straight line. So what is a home? My home is a scaffold. So okay, so home is there. Yeah, exactly. Now for material app, we are just passing one argument. We are passing only one parameter, that is scaffold. Now to create a new instance of scaffold, this will take two parameters. What are they? App bar, and the other parameter is body. Right? Guys, just look how this works. Material app itself is just one constructor. Now one constructor the call pandra. Since this is the one and only statement that I have, I am terminating this statement by a semicolon. Do you see a semicolon here? Let me just zoom it for you. Do you see a semicolon here? Material app is just அதாவது look at this widget buildங்கிற ஒரு function இருக்குதுல. I will tell you what this build function does, but inside this function I have only one statement. நீங்க எவ்வளோ லைன்ஸ் எழுதினாலும் essentially that is only one statement because I have only one semicolon. What's that one statement? That is the return statement. Okay, so what am I returning? I am returning a material app. So how do I return that? I have to call its constructor so that a new instance of material app is created, right? So once the new instance of material app is created, I have to pass few arguments so that the Dart VM will know how to create this material app. So this material app has one important argument, that is the home argument. Okay. So what am I assigning for this argument? I am assigning a scaffold. Wait, am I being too fast? Am I being fast? If you want me to slow down, just tell me so that I can match your pace accordingly. Guys, do you want correct? Okay.
Yeah.
Just give me a minute. Let me just plug in my charger. Okay. Yeah. So look at this. Material app is just one line. So in the OR statement, in the OR constructor, I have to pass this argument called as home. Home is an argument. Okay. So what am I giving for this home argument? I am passing a scaffold. Okay. This scaffold again takes two arguments. One is an app bar, another is a body. These two are like important arguments. There are other arguments as well. Let's not talk about them. But these two are the important arguments that we are supposed to pass. Okay. So what will an app bar take? An app bar will take an app bar. Okay. So what are the parameters that I am supposed to give for the app bar? For an app bar, என்ன parameters கொடுக்கணும்? App bar will take a title, right? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yeah.
App bar will take a title. So let me put a title here. So what will a title take? Or a title is an argument. What will I pass to this argument here? I will pass a text, right? So let's say just demo. Okay. So this is the title. Now this app bar argument is complete. I have assigned everything to this app bar argument. I have to assign something to this body argument now. What do I assign? Let me assign a column. Okay. Let me assign a column. Now this column will take few more arguments. What will a column take? Can you give me a few examples of what are the arguments that a column will take? Guys, I'm invoking the constructor of column. Okay, main axis alignment, children. Nihal, child, no, column will take a children, like plural. Okay, so this will take a main axis alignment. Let's put it as center, main axis alignment dot center. This will take a cross axis alignment. Let's put it cross axis alignment dot center. This will take children. Children is an array. I was telling you, somebody was asking me, square brackets why do you put square brackets? Because that's an array, right? Children is array, it's plural, it's array. So what do I pass in this array? Let me pass a text here. So first text, let's say hello world. And let me pass another element inside the same array. So how do we pass another element? Just put comma and separate them. That's it. So let me pass like, what text can I put? Let's say, hi Allison. That's it. Do you see the entire program is just one line? Okay, no matter how much I zoom out, I can't show everything to you on one line. Just look at this. This is the entire program. It's on one line. Do you get the difference? Do you get what we just did? The entire program is a material app. The entire program is a material app and it's on one line. I wanted to discuss about this like after a two or 3 days, but yeah, the situation came now. I discussed. Do you get the thing? The entire application is just one line. Do you see why we are putting commas? Whenever there are parameters, this title is a parameter, body is a parameter, main axis alignment is a parameter. Whenever you are encountering an parameter, separate them by commas. Whenever you are terminating a statement, put a semicolon. Get the difference? Now let me just do something for you. It's Control Alt L, right, Fabian?
Yeah, no.
Press Control Alt L on your computer, see what happens. What do you see? Do you see something like this? Mac users press Option Command L. Windows users press Control Alt L. See what happens on your computer.
Text format now.
We wrote everything on one line. But do you see how it looks like when you split them up into several lines? So நீங்க இதை பார்க்கறதுனால தான் you are confused. Semicolon போடணுமா கமா போடணுமான்ட்டு. But if you write your entire program in one line, you will be very clear. Okay, இந்த இடத்துல கமா வரும், இந்த இடத்துல semicolon வரும் அப்படின்ட்டு. You get the difference now, right?